Hello and welcome to the catalog module overview of our corporate library management application for SharePoint 2010. What we have here is a catalog module home screen where you will notice that we have a number of different views such as last 30 days, all the catalog information grouped by library location, different locations that you may have, or even catalog by record types. So within the last 30 days, as you can see, the data is grouped by record type, and you may add a new book at any time using the new item and fill in the appropriate information. We may also have actions such as add a catalog book or an article, serial, or even e-article, which may only load appropriate fields that we may need. For example, for serials, we only need ISSN and not the ISBN, and we can restrict what fields to make it appear. But for now, we'll just do a generic. So here we can add a new book. Add some type, record type, give it an accession number, any subtitle, select author, corporate authors, publisher from the pop-up, choose a place, a location, an ISBN, and some other appropriate information. Also give some subjects, headings, and type in any detailed descriptions here. If there was any more copies, you could put in the copy number, edition, if it was an article, maybe the frequency, and which library does it belong to, and press maybe give it a supply name and hit OK. And you'll notice that it will appear in, so there's the book, it just got added. And now the second workflow could be, if this is a book, maybe you want to lend this item, so you could check this box and use the actions menu and say lend an item. Here you can choose the borrower's name, for example here, Steve, and any users of SharePoint which are in your system will appear in that list, and you may lend the item to them and hit OK. And what we'll do is it will create a record in loans module using the title of the book and also the barcode information. And you will notice now it's showing up as red and it's showing true under the art on loan column, which we updated as soon as it was used by lend an item function. Now if we go to loans, you will notice that that book is now appearing under loans overdue, sorry, loans active, not the overdue. We have different views in the loans as well, and you will notice here that business in startups is appearing here, and the due date has already been calculated for you. The barcode is there, the borrower name is there, which you can click on and even go to the borrower's information if you wanted to look at what that borrower is within SharePoint. So let's go back and we can go to catalog and look at some of the other functions we have in catalog. So here we can also, if there is a serial item, a new serial will get added in here as in the catalog, and you can use the action and say check in new serial, which means that this serial title does not exist in serials table. And what it will do is it will ask you to fill in the appropriate arrival pattern, for example the issue date and whether the status is due or it's already been received. Give it an issue number, volume number, even put in the names of the people in the routing list using the same function and click OK, and this record will appear in serials. If you need to look into some of the other views, you can click at catalog by location, so you can actually find books from different libraries. As you can see, it's a Montreal library, Ottawa library, they're all grouped separately, and you can choose appropriate function here. So if you were adding just a serial item, not a catalog item, you can do that. So this will generate a new serial record within the catalog. Thank you for watching.